Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa with canned diced tomatoes, updated. Start by draining the tomatoes and reserving a few tablespoons of liquid for later thinning. Combine tomatoes, chopped onion, minced garlic, chopped cilantro, jalapeno, lime juice, and salt in a bowl. Taste and adjust salt, lime, or heat. Chill for 30 minutes for flavors to meld and serve with chips or tacos. Enjoy simple, bright salsa with pantry staples. Warm tips on ingredients and prep to make this salsa easy and fresh. Use one 14-oz can of diced tomatoes and drain for chunkier salsa, or keep juice for thinner salsa. Mince half an onion and one jalapeno and chop a handful of cilantro. Add 1 tablespoon lime juice and 1 teaspoon salt, then stir and taste. Adjust heat or acidity before chilling to let flavors meld. Serve within 24 hours for peak brightness. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in any light, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. I keep one near the kitchen for easy reference and hands-free reading while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps you cook smarter. Now let's get back to the video. Decide on texture by pulsing in a blender for a smoother salsa or chopping for chunky bowls. For roasted flavor, briefly sauté chopped onion and garlic before adding to tomatoes, or roast jalapeno over a flame. Serve with tortilla chips, tacos, grilled meats, or as a topping for eggs. Store leftover salsa in an airtight container in the fridge and consume within 3 to 4 days for best freshness. Enjoy it cold or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.